Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is a flash fill in Microsoft Excel. Let me open a Microsoft Word document. You can see I have made a few tables in Microsoft Excel sheet, and I want to show you how you would use flash fill to fill in the data in these tables. Now here you can see in the first table we have some names like Muhammad, Sajid, Nitish Kumar, bin Cutting, etc. And I want to separate these names. For example, I want only the first name. So what I would do, I will write Muhammad, and then I can go to data, and here you can see flash fills. If I click over it, you can see the rest of the data has been filled automatically. Actually, flash fill fills the data when it sees a pattern. Similarly, I want to have last name over here, so I would write Sajid. And now you can again go to flash fill, and you can also use the shortcut, that is Control E. And here you can see the data has been filled automatically. Similarly, I want only the first initial of this name. I would write M. I would press Control E. It is actually not doing it right now. I will have to train it. So I'm going to put N this time, as N stand for Nitish. And let me press Control E for flash fill. And here you can see MNBTMN has been filled automatically. Similar pattern can be repeated for last initials. Let me do for D. I would fill D, and again here I would insert H, then Control E. You can see it's actually not doing it. Again Control E. You can see it has filled in the data but in a wrong way. It needs some more training. Let me Control Z to remove these. D, H, let me put N, press Control E. You can see it has automatically filled in the last initials. Similarly, I want to show you one more use of. I want to separate these IDs like 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 8 from these names. So what I would do, I would come over here and just insert 2, 3, and now I would press Control E, and here you can see IDs have been automatically separated from the names. One more thing that I would like to show with regard to this flash fill is you can actually join the data. Let me make a dummy email using both part of the name, UHAMMAD, Muhammad @Sajid 23. You can see all this data is present on the left side. Now I would write .com, and now if I press Control E, you can see automatically the dummy emails have been filled in. So here you can see that how beautifully this actually separates the data, and you can also join the data using this, as I have used joining of the data over here in the form of emails. So this was a short tutorial how to use flash fills. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please leave a like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.